So I've got the climate control set up from the Gemini fully apart at this point. And I probably didn't need to take the actual controls off, so if anyone's doing this in the future, save yourself the trouble on the actual control panel. You can see there's some goop from the last time I took this apart and tried to get it close enough together, but all of these screw holes are coming apart. Just the plastic on this piece is super brittle. So I don't think that's really necessary. I didn't need to take that apart underneath to get, the only reason you take that apart is to get the sliders here off, which are on the bottom here. And then this last board that sits up behind the push buttons, it's just LEDs and backlights. So that probably wasn't necessary, but then again, getting these off, I think you'd have to individually pry each one off, which wouldn't be the end of the world, but if I were to do it again, that's the way I'd do it, and take the rest out later if I had to. But this is the board that sits up on the top. It sits here behind that door and actually only has a connection to the harness. And then these are the actual controls, which has a bunch of stuff on the circuit board, but diagram wise, there's not actually much physically on the board itself. So in case you ever wanted to know what the inside of the automatic climate controls for a Gemini look like, now you know.